What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show off a couple keyboard shortcuts on YouTube that you can use to make your viewing experience better. So how to see these keyboard shortcuts, pretty simple. Just go to your channel icon up here on the top right and then go down to keyboard shortcuts. So now you can see there's a lot of single key shortcuts that you can use, really easy, really quick. Like toggling play and pause, you just press K. Toggling full screen, you just press F. Toggling theater mode, you just press T. And if the video supports captions, you press C to toggle them on and off. Let me just show a couple of these off. So now I'm in the video. I just want to click into it first so the keyboard shortcuts work for sure. Full screen mode, F, then press F again to toggle out of it. Theater mode, T. Closed captions, C. As you can see, they're on now. And then C again to toggle them off. And what was play? Was it P? I don't even remember. Anyways, so let's just say I want to see that again. I do want to show off some more difficult ones though. Oh, it was K. Okay. Anyways, so to increase the playback rate and decrease the playback rate, this might look a little confusing at first, but all this means is you press shift and you press comma at the same time. So if you look at your keyboard, there is the comma and then there'll be this symbol above it. So how you access the symbols above the bottom symbols is you hold shift and you press that key. That's how you get it, right? So pretty simple, that makes sense. You decrease the playback rate, you're pointing backwards. You increase, you point forward. Let me just show that off. So I'm going to play this video.
G easy. So I'm going to switch G easy bin on. I want this on in my playlist. So
now
right
I'm
here,
going to
the video
decrease.
that I want appears. I'm going to click right here and go save to.
Yeah, so increasing and decreasing, pretty cool stuff. Yeah, so that is a lot of the keyboard shortcuts. There are more here, you can just play with it. One thing I want to stress is whenever you see plus, you don't have to press it. That just means that you're combining keys together, right? Except for this right here, that actually is how you zoom in and out. But yeah, so those are your keyboard shortcuts on YouTube. Hopefully these help your viewing experience. Please drop a like if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.